welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I thank you so much, my returning subscriber. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today's videos I shall be talking about the list of Nclex examination centers. Nclex simply means Nursing Council Licensure Examinations. This is a professional exams that overseas registered nurse has to do to be able to practice in countries like United States of America, Canada, and Australia. So Nclex examinations are done in some countries. We all know before you could be able to write Nclex examinations, for you to be able to practice as a registered nurse, to be licensed in these three countries, Australia, Canada, and United States of America, you must have been a registered nurse in your own country. So, one of the countries where Nclex is being written is in Kenya. So Kenya is a newly introduced centers in Africa that Nclex examinations can be done recently. The Kenya Nclex Pearson Center is just being recently introduced in this year 2024, and so the neighboring African countries registered nurses could find these Kenya centers as easily accessible for them to write Nclex center. So you can write your Nclex center in Kenya. Then we also have an Nclex center in South Africa. This is where only center we have back then in Africa, where registered nurse travel to write their Nclex. So we now have a Kenya center. So in Africa now we now have two centers, South Africa, and we now have a Pearson Nclex center in Kenya as well. So we also have an Nclex center in United Kingdom, basically in London. So there is an Nclex center, Pearson Nclex center there. If it is closer to you, you might consider the options of moving to London, UK, United Kingdom, to write your Nclex examination. Then an Nclex center is also in Philippines. In Philippines, you can do your Nclex there. So also we have an Nclex center in the United States of America itself. You can do your Nclex examination in the United States of America. Then Canada also have an Nclex center where you can write your examination. So an Nclex center is also in Brazil. Then an Nclex center is in India. You can do your Nclex as well in India. Then an Nclex center is in Turkey, and it is also in Qatar. So you can do your research as to where these Nclex centers are in those countries, so that also you could check which one of them is closer to you or is near to your destinations or to your country. I mean, the closer the Nclex center, the easier for you. And other factors that you need to also consider is how easy it is for you to get your visa to enter that country to write your Nclex examination. Some countries tend to give visas to overseas registered nurses who want to write their Nclex examinations in certain countries than the other. So this is based on the candidate's preference. You can decide to choose. So another factor you need to also consider is the flight ticket fees or the expenses. Let me just say generally the expenses needed for you to write your Nclex examination in those countries. So some countries might be, the flight tickets might be cheaper than the other. So this is what I say I should share with you, the list of Nclex examinations centers all across the globe. Do your due diligence to research more of any Nclex centers you may know, and let me know in the comment sections if you know of any other Nclex centers across the globe.